Hi, I'm Colonel Sunil Narula, an Indian Army veteran settled in Pune. I was always proud of the clean and green cantonments where I lived throughout my life. Till recently, a civilian friend of mine shocked me and shook my conscience when he told me how the Pune cantonment disposes of its garbage and how it ill treats it. And this is what I discovered. So let us go into this wonderful Pune cantonment garbage treatment yard. I think they should call it the garbage ill treatment yard, because when you go inside this yard, what you see is a horrifying scene of acres and acres of land filled with open garbage, no separation, and then you give opportunity to these poachers who come without being checked by anyone and take away whatever they want, but where they go, God only knows. They are like the masihas of death. See the cabin on the left? It is locked and the garbage is lying in open for anybody to poach, anybody to do whatever you want to do. And look at the neighborhood of Pune Cantonment garbage yard. That is the wonderfully crafted, developed, infrastructure ready PMC, Pune Municipal Corporation's garbage treatment and transfer center. And look at the neighborhood, and this is the gate we were seeing and the cabin which I mentioned. And now you can look at the expanse of this open garbage dump, the so-called garbage treatment yard. Where is the treatment? Nobody knows. So it was really horrifying for me. And look at these wonderful buildings all around this place. They are like the best townships, the best IT parks, and people who are living here in the neighborhood are actually producing nothing but food items. There are industries making masalas which are world famous from their neighborhood of this garbage yard. And the distance from here to the airport is just about 8 kilometers, and these are the birds waiting to hit the proud Su-30 squadrons which are flying over Pune skies, and we don't know what to do with it. And our Air Force, our military cantonment, all the authorities have neglected it for the past more than 20 years. I was shocked to see a judgment from the Supreme Court in 2002 when I started working on it, which says that as the matter is coming up for hearing in the High Court, might as well go to them and get your judgment. And it is 2015, 13 years, no High Court judgment has come about. And this is what the Pune cantonment claims when the government asks them a clarification that, sir, we have a wonderful vermiculture project which is using the same garbage which is dumped there. So let's go inside this vermiculture project. And what we see, another shocker. No vermiculture treatment is happening. All the pits are just lying and they are filled. You can see the fresh grass coming up, and you see the equipment lying in disused state. And there, you don't have to have anybody to witness and inspect to check these equipments which are lying in a dead state. Look at this machine, it clearly shows it has never been used. And this is what they offer to the neighbors in the monsoons. The most deadly water filled with garbage. And look at this boy now doing obstacle course on top of this muck, and what risk he has to his life, nobody knows. I do know that this matter must be brought to the attention of the Defence Minister, Mr. Parrikar, who is a visionary, who would not let such things to go on, because our Member of Parliament representing Pune has so many times said that Pune is fighting to be in the smart city, and this is what smart city has to offer to its public, an open garbage of 20 acres lying in the heart of town. Pathetic. So I have taken a vow as a one individual and taking this matter to the High Court, recording this DVD, recording this video myself. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.